All right, today we have Dan from Timelines AI with us.
Timelines AI is a B2B productivity tool. We started off with outbound like a year ago and built some inboxes on instantly. And then we moved to Smart Lead. Yeah, here I am using Aerosend. So what happens is that you see Aerosend is more durable. Zapmail dropped to 60% inbox placement, while Aerosend remains at around 95-99%. I'd like to highlight another thing. So you've been working with me for a while now, and you've been quite proactive and involved in the issues or like questions. You answered my questions, and that's the type of support you would not probably get from any provider.
All right, today we have Dan from Timelines AI with us. I am really excited to have you here.
Nice to be here.
Perfect. So for those of you who don't know you, could you tell me a little bit more about Timelines AI and what do you do?
Yeah, so Timelines AI is a B2B productivity tool. So it connects WhatsApp that you have on your phone with basically any system, but primarily why our customers use us is to connect WhatsApp to their CRM, like HubSpot, Zoho, Monday.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, I might need Timelines AI as well at some point, but yeah, I'm excited.
Yeah.
To test that out. Question for you. So obviously you've been sending cold emails and you guys are pretty good at it. How many providers have you tried before Aerosend, and what has your experience been with Aerosend?
So like we started off with outbound like a year ago and built some inboxes on instantly. And then we moved to Smart Lead, and I guess they have their own providers for inboxes like Zapmail, I guess, what they have right now. So we bought some inboxes from Instantly, then Smart Lead, I think maybe 100 or 150 inboxes. And then, here I am using Aerosend. So the experience itself was that, I think every company that runs outbound struggles with it. So it's deliverability. So, and that's why I was looking for some other solutions, maybe better solutions than typical providers that everybody use. Right now, I'm probably running a campaign for 2 or 3 weeks, comparing Aerosend to other providers that I used before. So, and I tried to run a test like purely with the same setup, so like same copy and stuff. So what I see is that at the beginning, like deliverability is the same, nearly the same, but then what happens is that you see Aerosend is more durable. So after 2 weeks, I ran a spam placement test for 2 sets of inboxes, like Aerosend versus Zapmail. And Zapmail dropped to 60% inbox placement, while Aerosend remains at around 95-99%.
That's pretty huge. So there's a huge problem in the inbox community, and we're calling it mailbox farmers, where you're constantly farming and churning inboxes. So have you lost inboxes in the past because of this, and how often do you lose your Google reseller inboxes?
Yeah, so it's not in the past. It's my current challenge actually. So I currently have my infrastructure includes 250 active inboxes. So, and based on what I see, like half of them, and maybe it's up to 70%, maybe not lost, but they certainly need to recover. And basically, I can use them for my campaigns.
Excellent. Yeah, that's an interesting insight, and I appreciate it. Obviously, you know what you're doing. You're a cold email expert here, so Anything you will have to say for someone who is on the fence of testing Aerosend, whether they should do it or not?
Yeah, I would definitely recommend to try. And I would probably, except for like the main value that RSN provides, which is for me is durability, if you will, of those inboxes. So basically, you don't want to send for 2 weeks. You probably want to do this for months, and you don't want to spend much of your time like setting up new inboxes or maybe rotating them and keeping track every day if they're lost or not, if they need to be restored, or you can continue sending. Then you need RSN because that's what they excel in. But I'd like to highlight another thing. So you've been working with me for a while now, and you've been quite proactive and involved in the issues that, or like questions. You answered my questions, and that's the type of support you would not probably get in from any provider. At least based on my experience. So if you go to SmartLead, if you go to Instantly, your experience with support would be much worse. Much worse. That's my experience. I don't want to blame anyone, but if you work with Aerosend, you'd probably get a lot of good advice and support to resolve your issues as fast as possible. So, and that's a really important part.
I appreciate it. We try to give the best support, so that's great to hear. I will let the team know as well because they help me a lot. Like, 'cause there's no way I can do it alone. Thank you so much, Dan. This was really helpful. Before we kind of wrap up the call, who should be? I know that anyone who uses WhatsApp for business should definitely be reaching out to you guys. But is there a particular audience segment that absolutely needs your product today and should be reaching out to you?
Yeah, thanks for asking. So our audiences are basically sales teams who use WhatsApp a lot from their phones.
Okay.
They have those high touch sales conversations, like where the people exchange, like real estate, for example. Yeah, so you need to keep in touch for months, and you need to keep track of all those conversations. You want to see them in your CRM probably, and restore like communication history or hand over leads to your coworkers. So that is not possible. Basically, it's not possible without a tool like Timelines AI.
All right, perfect.
So,
Thank you so much, Dan. I appreciate your time.
thanks a lot.